Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix fail to receive platform SIPT on League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First you need to find directory of League of Legends. For me it's on default, so I just need to go to my disk C. Then you need to look for games, then go to League of Legends, then you should see a exe file. If you don't see exe file, press view, show, and then select file name extensions, and you will see files with extensions here. Then you just need to press on the blank space here and copy. Then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then here you need to look for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You press change settings, then allow another app, and then press browse. Then what you need to do here is to paste that link that we got it, and then look for League of Legends exe, open, and then you need to press add. Already added, so for me, as you can see, it's already in the list of exceptions. But if you're getting this error, probably you did not add it here, and then you just need to press add and then press OK, and maybe restart your computer or the game, and the issue should be solved. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.